We just finished going to the Town play, and it's really amazing. We did a little bit of shopping around 2, and we went shopping around, sorry, not 2. We went shopping at 11. The bus got there late, so we only had like an hour and a half to shop and stuff like that. But I did a lot of kids shopping. Oshkosh because they had a great blowout sale. I even got some stuff for myself, but mainly to the kids. But yeah, the Samsung play was really phenomenal. I would recommend that you go see it with your family, your friends, the church family, you know.
Samson.
How you gonna do that when I'm recording?
Cause I know you're vlogging.
Yeah. But it was a great play. They had amazing sound effects. This is my cousin Madison. You got a YouTube channel?
No.
She's gonna be.
I don't have a YouTube channel, so.
She's gonna be starting a channel soon.
Yeah.
As soon as she started, I'll post the link in the description box. And this is Tyler, who just put the stupid Samson thing in my face. Yeah. This is y'all know later. Yeah, so we're about to get back on the bus. Talk to you guys later. Yeah, I almost got 100. Yeah, where's that fountain? Where's the water fountain at? Oh, look, I'm gonna get a picture of this. A beautiful water fountain that everyone else seemed to be recording or taking a picture. Yeah, everybody's recording this. It's supposed to be like the lion. Let's see if I can get it better. This is like the back of the lion. Yeah, so I don't see everybody, but we're on our way back to the bus. Surprisingly, Faith was really good. She didn't cry. Well, no. She just acted up a little bit. But for the most part, she was pretty good. So, yeah, we're on the way. They said it was going to rain. I don't see nobody that got on videos on our bus. Guys, we left from New York. It took us 3.5 hours just to get to Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
It's very nice though.
Yeah, it was a nice ride, but it took forever. Y'all know what bus we was on? They told us the number. Wait, We going the wrong way?
No, we came in. It's at the edge. Oh, Bobby, come on.
Yeah. Sorry, guys, we're lost.
No one wants.
Yeah, it's kind of chilly, and I ain't put a jacket